You know, I want to start something simple. Have you ever listened to your own voice in a recording and felt like, is it really me? Or maybe you have had a thought in your mind, but when you tried to say it out loud, it didn't come out the same way. I have felt that too. And that's when I started thinking, what if our voice is not just something we have, but something we actually build. Not perfect, not fixed, but something that evolves slowly, quietly, over time. So, my first section is about voice as a craft. We often think speaking is natural, like you either speak well or you don't. But I don't believe that anymore. I feel voice is a craft, and like any craft, it needs practice, patience, discipline. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you consciously worked on your voice? Not just speaking casually, but actually noticing how you sound, how you pause, how you express. Because when you start noticing these things, you realize speaking is not automatic, it is intentional. In the beginning, it feels uncomfortable. You hesitate, you repeat words, you overthink, and honestly, it feels a little awkward. But if you stay with it, something starts shifting. Not suddenly, but gradually. You begin to understand your thoughts better, choose your words more carefully, pause without reading, or you pause without feeling nervous. And slowly, your voice starts sounding more like you. If I talk about my personal reflection, that's my section 2. I would like to begin with my journey, and I would like to say that for me, this journey has been very quiet, not dramatic, not visible to everyone, just small things like speaking to myself, recording videos, trying to express what I feel. There were moments when I genuinely felt I don't know what to say, or my thoughts are too scattered. Have you ever felt that feeling where your mind is full, but your words don't come out clearly? I've been there many times, but I didn't stop. Not because I was confident, but because I wanted clarity. And slowly I realized something. Communication is not about impressing others, it starts with understanding yourself. When your thoughts become clear, your voice follows naturally. Now, if I talk about the personality transformation, I want to say that this is where something interesting happens. That your personality also start transforming. When you consistently work on your voice, your personality begins to change. Not dramatically, but subtly. You become more aware. You listen more carefully. You think before you speak. Now, let me ask you, do you feel heard when you speak, or do you sometimes feel misunderstood? Because when your communication improves, your presence changes. You don't need to speak loudly to be confident. Your confidence becomes calm, grounded, stable. Even your silence feels different, not empty, but meaningful. Now, moving on to my section 4, I think this is where my journey connects deeply. And it's very interesting to see that connection. And the connection is that as an author, I've always believed in expressing thoughts. As a pageant finalist, I've learned the importance of presence. And both together taught me something very important. It's not about speaking more, it's about speaking with meaning. Because honestly, there is already so much noise around us. But what truly stands out is clarity and authenticity. Let me ask you, when you listen to someone, what do you connect with more? Perfect words or honest expression? Drop your comments. Whether it's perfect words or honest expression. With time, I noticed that there is a difference. And now I see it differently. Your voice is not something you wait to find, it's something you build through small efforts, consistent practice, honest reflection, and maybe you don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound like yourself. So today, I want to leave you with one thought. What would change in your life if you truly worked on your voice? Because in the end, your voice becomes your identity, and crafting it is a journey you keep growing through. If I want to give one line clarity, then I would like to say that your voice grows when you give it time, attention, and honesty.